Our universe is filled with mysteries. Ancient civilizations looked to the stars for answers. They found patterns in the sky. These patterns helped them understand time and seasons. But there were other mysteries, hidden within the very fabric of our world. One such mystery was the secret language of circles. This language is spoken through a special number, a number we call pi. Pi is a mathematical constant. It is represented by the Greek letter pi. This simple symbol holds the key to understanding circles in profound ways. Pi is like a universal translator, allowing us to measure and comprehend the curves of our universe. It is a gateway to understanding the elegance and beauty of mathematics. In this journey we will explore the fascinating world of pi. We will unravel its mysteries and discover its hidden wonders. Join me as we embark on a fun and educational adventure to unlock the secrets of this extraordinary number. What exactly is pi? Imagine a perfect circle. Now take a string and wrap it around the circle's edge. The length of that string is called the circumference. Next, measure the distance across the circle, passing through its center. This is the diameter. Pi is the ratio of the circumference of any circle to its diameter. No matter how big or small the circle, this ratio always remains the same. It's pi. We often use approximate values for pi 3.14 or 22/7. These approximations are useful for everyday calculations. However, the true value of pi is much more intriguing. It extends infinitely without repeating, making it an irrational number. The story of pi dates back thousands of years. Ancient civilizations like the Egyptians and Babylonians recognized its significance. They used approximations of pi for architectural and astronomical calculations. The Babylonians used the value 3.125 for pi, while the Egyptians used 3.16. These early mathematicians laid the foundation for our understanding of pi. Pi is not just an abstract mathematical concept, it has countless real-world applications. It's the key to unlocking the secrets of circles and spheres, making it essential in fields like physics, engineering, and computer science. Imagine calculating the area of a circular garden or the volume of a spherical water tank. Pi is the magic ingredient in these calculations. In physics, pi pops up in equations describing everything from the orbits of planets to the behavior of light and sound waves. Let's try a simple demonstration. Take a circular object like a plate. Wrap a string around its edge to measure its circumference. Then, measure the diameter of the plate. Divide the circumference by the diameter, and you'll get a value close to pi. This experiment shows how pi connects theoretical mathematics to our everyday world. Section 4. Fun with pi: intriguing facts and engaging challenges. Pi is not just useful, it's also fascinating. It's an irrational number, meaning its decimal representation goes on forever without repeating. This infinite nature has captivated mathematicians for centuries. People have memorized thousands of digits of pi, even setting world records. To celebrate this unique number, we observe Pi Day every year on March 14th. It's a day for math enthusiasts and pi lovers alike to celebrate the wonder of pi. You can join the fun by trying to memorize the first few digits of pi or challenging your friends to see who can recite the most. Here's a challenge for you. If you have a circle with a diameter of 10 centimeters, can you calculate its circumference using pi? Remember, the circumference is equal to pi multiplied by the diameter. Section 5. Conclusion. Embracing the infinite wonders of pi. From its humble beginnings in ancient civilizations to its vital role in modern technology, pi has captivated our imaginations for centuries. It's a testament to the power of mathematics to unlock the secrets of our universe. Pi reminds us that even in the seemingly simple shape of a circle there lies infinite depth and wonder. As we continue to explore the cosmos, pi will undoubtedly remain an essential tool for unraveling its mysteries. As the great Galileo Galilei once said, mathematics is the language in which God has written the universe, and pi is one of its most elegant and enduring expressions.